Hello viewers, welcome to my channel World Beauty Fashion Trends. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Love does not consist of gazing at each other but in looking together in the same direction. Just in case you have forgotten today, you matter, you are loved, you are worthy, you are magical. To love is to burn, to be on fire. When the power of love overcomes the love of power, the world will know peace. To love is risky, not to love is foolish. I know of no greater happiness than to be with you all the time, without interruption, without end. Love is not finding a perfect person, it is seeing an imperfect person perfectly. I love because it is the only true adventure. Age does not protect you from love, but love to some extent protects you from age. Where there is love, there is life. Attention is the rarest and purest form of generosity. The more I think it over, the more I feel that there is nothing more truly artistic than to love people. You call it madness, but I call it love. Love yourself, then forget it, then love the world. True love stories never have ending. Never make someone a priority when all you are to them is an option. He is not a lover who does not love forever. Him that I love, I wish to be free, even from me. In the end, we discover that to love and let go can be the same thing. Love must be as much a light as it is flame. Love does not begin and end the way we seem to think it does. Love is a battle, love is a war, love is a growing up. I wish I had done everything on earth with you. It is better to be hated for what you are than loved for what you are not. Thanks for watching my video.